Hello, coming at you from my wagon. Check that out. I'm on top of the roof. I'm near the Cristo Mountains. Let me give you a closer view of that. Ah, it won't let me. How rude. It's very bright out here all of a sudden. Check out those mountains. Beautiful, right? Maybe you're able to zoom in on that. So, yeah, the word is snowstorm. That's today's word. But I do have something that I would like to read to you. And it's about the word. I accept that I create my reality by the power of my word. My word is good. My heart is pure. By the loving power of my pure word, I call forth and invoke the full presence of now. Now, like right now, and now, and now, and now, and now. Not then, not forward, now.